Hello, and welcome to Read Us a Story. What shall we read today? How about Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf by Roald Dahl, illustrated by Adam Larkham. As soon as Wolf began to feel that he would like a decent meal, he went and knocked on Grandma's door. When Grandma opened it, she saw the sharp white teeth, the horrid grin, and Wolfie said, "May I come in?" Poor Grandmamma was terrified. "He's going to eat me up," she cried. And she was absolutely right. He ate her up in one big bite. But Grandmamma was small and tough. And Wolfie wailed, "That's not enough. I haven't yet begun to feel that I have had a decent meal." He ran around the kitchen yelping, "I've got to have another helping." Then added with a frightful leer, "I'm therefore going to wait right here till little Miss Red Riding Hood comes home from walking in the wood." He quickly put on Grandma's clothes. Of course, he hadn't eaten those. He dressed himself in coat and hat. He put on shoes, and after that he even brushed and curled his hair. Then he sat in Grandma's chair. In came the little girl in red. She stopped. She stared. And then she said, "What big ears you have, Grandma!" "All the better to hear you with," the wolf replied. "What big eyes you have, Grandma!" said Little Red Riding Hood. "All the better to see you with," the wolf replied. He sat there watching her and smiled. He thought, "I'm going to eat this child. Compared with her old Grandmamma, she's going to taste like caviar." Then Little Red Riding Hood said, "But, Grandma, what a lovely great big furry coat you have on." "That's wrong," cried the wolf. "Have you forgotten to tell me what big teeth I've got?" "Ah, well, no matter what you say, I'm going to eat you anyway." The small girl smiles. One eyelid flickers. She whips a pistol from her knickers. She aims it at the creature's head. And bang, bang, bang! She shoots him dead. A few weeks later in the wood, I came across Miss Riding Hood. But what a change! No cloak of red, no silly hood upon her head. She said, "Hello, and please do note my lovely furry wolfskin coat." And that was Little Red Riding Hood and the Wolf by Roald Dahl. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, be sure and like the video, and remember, you can always subscribe to the channel at Read Us a Story. Thanks, bye!